Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric French-style desk telephone, and this is Beth's equipment from California, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now, Beth said this telephone didn't work, and when they sent this unit in, it seemed to work. And so maybe something happened in shipping. Maybe something in the telephone was loose, or there was an issue, and then when it got shipped and moved around, it started working again. So what we came up with is Beth wants us to go through the unit and make sure everything is proper and that it's working. And we'll go ahead and troubleshoot everything. Now, we know there's an issue with the handset cord where it plugs into the handset. Now, that wasn't the problem, but the issue is the little clip on the modular plug is kind of broken and it's pushed down. And so if you plug in the handset cord into the handset, it wouldn't stay. So someone put a little bit of glue in there, and that kind of holds the handset cord in. And so what we're going to do is change that modular plug. So we'll take care of that issue. We also want to troubleshoot the transmit, the receive. We also want to go through the hook switch. We want to make sure that the hook switch is cleaned and that all the connections are tight and proper. We're going to go through the network. We're going to make sure that all of the connections are tight and that they're proper. We also want to go through the keypad. The keypad can cause issues, so we want to make sure that we resolder any problems with the keypad on the solder points. We'll troubleshoot the bell and bell circuit, so we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric French style desk telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video, and it has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'll go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise or a hum, that's coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move our line cord over to a line out, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, May 16th. The current time, 7:49 p.m. and the temperature, 84 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric French-style desk telephone has been troubleshooted and repaired, we can return this unit back to Beth and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.